This is such an easy and fun craft to make. I started with a wood slice and I found the cutest little A-frame houses. Now, if you can't find an A-frame, this is just as cute with just the trees and the deer. So I drilled some little holes and inserted my bottle brush trees. I fixed the A-frame, and then I was just trying to decide where to put everything else. These little mushrooms, the bottle brush trees, and the deer. If you go to the link in bio and check out my Amazon page, you'll find a crafting section that has a lot of these little findings. Next, I glued down some moss, inserted the mushrooms. So I just kept looking at it and infilled the holes where need be and moved on to a few other pieces as well. I then repeated the process a few times and added different trees and findings just to make each one look unique. So I've had this box of glitter for about 3 years. I use it on all my Christmas projects. I just put my craft over the box, do what I need to do. It keeps everything contained. So basically, after I put that wet paint on there, I'm just putting glitter right on the roof. It will patch that little hole from the string that was on there and make it cute. All right, and here's the end result. Each one is just a little bit different to make them unique. I hope you enjoyed this craft.